Hello and welcome back to my channel with a new geometry challenge. In this question, a half circle is given and two squares are given inside this half circle. The area of the larger square is given as 16 and the question asks to find the area of the smaller square. Before diving into the solution, please feel free to pause the video, think about the solution, subscribe to my channel, solve the question and come back to watch the rest of the video. Let's start. One of the popular techniques in solving the geometry questions is to add line segments to the given problem. So in this problem, if this point is the center, I call it as O, I add 3 line segments to this shape, one connecting O to this corner, another one connecting O to this corner, and finally connecting O to the other corner of the square. We know that these are squares, so these are all right triangle. Let's first take a look at these two right triangles. We know that the hypotenuse of these two triangles are the radius of the circle, so these are equal to each other, and these sides are also sides of squares which are equal to each other. So these two triangles are congruent and this side is equal to this side. And since the area of the larger square is given as 16, the side of the larger square becomes 4, and this part is equal to this part, so each of them become 2 and 2. So let me write it down. This is 2, 2. Next we take a look at this right triangle. Now we have this side which is 2 and we have this side which is 2. We can calculate the hypotenuse, which is at the same time the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle is obtained as r squared is equal to 4 squared plus 2 squared, and from this r squared is equal to 16 plus 4, which is 20, and from this r is equal to 2 times square root of 5. Next we take a look at this right triangle. The hypotenuse is the radius, and what we are trying to find is the side of a small square. So if the side of a small square is given as x, we know that this side is x, this side is also x, so we can easily use the Pythagorean theorem to obtain the length of x. Therefore we have x squared plus x plus 2 squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared, which is the radius squared, and it is equal to 20. And if you simplify this equation, you have x squared plus 4 times x plus 4 is equal to 20. From this you have x squared plus 2x is equal to 8. What I did, I moved 4 to the right hand side and divided both hand side of the equation by 2. And if I add 1 to the left and to the right hand side of the equation, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 9. And we can write left hand side as x plus 1 squared is equal to 9. And from this we have x plus 1 is equal to 3. The negative 1 is not a valid answer. And x is equal to 2. Yeah, this is the end of the question. At the beginning it seems to be a challenging problem, but once you figure out which line segments you need to add, it becomes an easy problem to handle. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.